So here's how to create different voices in Suno AI. First up, let's head over to suno.com, and as you can see, I'm already here. Now, you need to sign in to your account or sign up if you don't have one. So as you can see, we're now in the Suno AI dashboard. From here, you need to go over to the left panel and click on Create. Over here on the right side, you will get to see all the songs that you've generated using Suno AI. Now, let's choose a song and click on the three dots on the right side of it. Then go over to Remix or Edit and then click on Use Styles and Lyrics. On the right side, you will get to see the lyrics being displayed under the lyrics section. So now, right before each section of the lyrics, you need to put in names for each character just like I'm doing right here. While putting in the names, make sure they're in square brackets. And this way, you can put in multiple characters for one song. So once you're done putting in the characters for each voice, go over to the style section and give it a check. Then on the advanced section, you can choose between male and female voices according to your preference. So once you're done setting it up, just go ahead and click on Create, and your song will then be generated using different voices. And that is exactly how to create different voices on Suno AI.